Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel Coders Arcade. So guys, this will be the second part of our file handling in Java tutorial. Here we will be learning how to delete folders, and also I will show you how to delete a particular folder or how to delete multiple folders. Okay, so please stay tuned and please try to focus more and more on this video because this is going to be really important. And before even starting this video, I would like to thank all of you for your support. And guys, if you really like the content that you are bringing, please don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. And also, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel because that really motivates us to bring more and more content to you. Okay. So, as I said, today's topic will be deleting single and multiple folders in file handling in Java. Okay. So, here, let us do one thing. Let us go back to our IDE, and yes, this was the project that we are working on. In the last tutorial, I showed you how to create a single folder. This was the code. Okay. And after that, I showed you how to use a absolute path and also a relative path. Fine. And also I showed you how to create multiple folders inside a particular folder. Okay. So guys, if you have not gone through these videos, I will provide the links in the description and also in the I button so that you can go ahead and have a look at those videos, and then you can come back and start from this video. Okay. This is very highly recommended because then you will be in sync with what I'm teaching and you will be going with the flow. Okay. That's very important. Fine. So let's do one thing. Today, as I said, the topic will be deleting a particular folder and multiple folders. Okay. Whatever we created here in the earlier tutorial, we'll be deleting those folders. That's what our target is. Okay. So what I do, let me go to create folder file, and here I will just say, let me create a folder called Saurabh. Okay. I'm taking my name only, and let me try to create a particular folder. Okay. So inside this particular directory, which is my project name, right click and run this. Now it's really simple, right? We already have the code. See guys, we already have the folder created here. Now if I try to run this again, it will say folder already exists because it is already existing here. You can see, right? Now let's try to write a code which will actually delete this particular folder. Fine. So I have already showed you how to use a relative path. We will be using that right now. Right click and new Java class, delete folder. Okay. I'm keeping the file names or the class names relative to the topic so that you can follow along. Okay. So main function here, I will just take the path. Okay. First I will say file folder is equal to new file. Here I have to give the path. Now I will show you how to use the relative path here. So dot means the current directory and then forward slash. Inside our current directory, we want to delete the Saurabh folder. Okay. So guys, if you have not understood how I'm using this, please go back to the earlier videos and try to refer them because I have already provided the link in the description and the I button. Okay. Please go and look at that so that you can understand, and then you can come back and follow along in this video. Fine. So the simple command to delete a particular folder is simple dot delete function. Okay. I will say folder dot delete. Then I will just say s out, deleted. I'll give a space and I will say plus folder.getName to get the name of that folder, plus I will just say folder. Okay, that's all. Or in the else block, I will simply say s out. Imagine if the folder is already deleted or does not exist. I will say folder doesn't exist or fail to delete this folder. Okay, whatever user message you want to customize, you can do it here. Fine. So you can see dot means the current directory. Inside that, I want to delete the Saurabh folder as we created just earlier. So let's see if it is working fine or not. Okay, let me run this. Right now you can see the folder here, right? Let me run this now and let's see if it works. Okay, you can see deleted Saurabh folder. And now you can see the magic, guys. The folder is not there. Let me do one thing. Manually, let me create the folder again. Right click and run. And you can see the Saurabh folder pops up. It comes up. Now let us try to delete this again. And if I run this now, You can see it deleted the folder. Okay, that is a simple way of deleting a particular folder, and you have to remember this function, the dot delete function, okay, or the method. Fine. So this is how we can delete a single folder. Now let's see how we can delete multiple folders, because in the earlier one I showed you how to create multiple folders, right? Now I will show you how to delete multiple folders. So what I do, I will just copy this to stuff, the folder names that I want to delete, because these are the folder names that I have here, Ashank, Chandan and Nikhil. Those I want to delete. So I will take this and I will take this path. Okay. So because they are inside the Coder Circuit folder. Fine. Or else let me do one thing. Let me just take the name of this folders. Copy this and let me create a new Java class. Delete folders. Okay. Press enter. And now in the main function, let me paste that folder names. And now I will just take the path is equal to, let me show you the path again. Okay. So dot is the current directory, forward slash to go inside the directory, and then I have coders arcade. Fine. So inside coders arcade I want to delete Ashank, Nikhil and Chandan. As you can see here, these are the three folders I want to delete. So I will give a forward slash extra. Otherwise what you have to do, guys, you have to again concatenate one more forward slash. That is not a good practice, so I'm doing it here itself. Fine. Now let's go inside with the help of this for each loop. String folder colon in the folder names array, and then let's create the file object. Or let me just, to be precise, I can write like this: folder name file folder is equal to, so that you can actually relate this. I will say file folder equal to new file. Here I will give the path. So the path will be something like this particular path followed by the name of the folder. Okay. So path plus folder name that we are catching from this particular array, right? So initially it will be Ashank, then Nikhil, then Chandan. Okay. So we have done that. Now after that, let me just create the command if folder dot delete. I will say s out deleted plus folder name. No, this should not be the case. Actually, it should be folder dot get name, because I want to get the name of the folder deleted, plus I will just say deleted, or I will say folder. Sorry, folder. Fine. In the else block, I will simply say fail to delete the folder. Okay, just a simple customized message. Now let's see if it is working or not. Fine. So my target is I want to delete Ashank, Nikhil and Chandan inside my code circuit folder. Let's see. So we'll run this. Right now you can see we have three folders. Let's run this now. Okay, deleted Ashank folder, Nikhil folder and Chandan folder. You can see here guys, inside Coders Arcade, I don't have the folders again. So let's do one thing. Create folders. I have already the file. Let me run this and create the folders again manually. You can see the folders have been created here, Ashank, Chandan and Nikhil. Now let's go to delete folders and try to run this now. Okay, guys, you can see they have been deleted successfully. Okay, this is how you can delete a single folder or multiple folders using a Java code. Okay, guys, creating and deleting folders is a lot of fun, and I hope you have learned this very well. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can please ping me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to clarify those doubts. And really, 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 if you like the content, please don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. And also at the same time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, because that will help you to receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Okay. And thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. The next part of this tutorial will be how to create single file and how to create multiple files. And I will be showing you all those stuff in the next tutorials. Okay. So please stay tuned and thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you have liked it. So till the next time, bye bye and happy learning. I'm signing off. Thank you.